seeing so many of young parents gathered here. And I hope in half an hour, because Delhi is always on time, the empty chairs will also be filled up. I was there at our junior school in Nepali yesterday. They had independence celebrations. And 2 days back, we also had ours on 7th August, performed by S3 and then the next day by P5. So while we're trying to get as many opportunities for students, because you see, no amount of lecturing, no amount of classroom teaching, no amount of workshop on mental health, well-being, does any help, but being in the crux of things, doing it yourself, whether it is stage, whether it is the podium, whether it is the class, or whatever the child can indulge. So I had the thoughts of repeating myself for the 4th time on what I said on 7th August, because that happened to be National Handloom Day. It was 1905 when Swadeshi movement started on 7th of August. And you are aware of the freedom struggle of India, which is very unique in terms because we fought a huge, powerful army almost with no tools. The Swadeshi movement is not about textiles, but about our culture and collective identity. And those living in Delhi, especially metropolitan cities which are very, very high-tense cities, you know that already, whether you work or at home or whatever, you're always in panic mode, in aggression mode, in pressure mode, or whatever it is. You see, your society is very fragmented these days. We don't have any collective identity as of now. 20 years back, we did not have CCTVs to monitor our kids. Kids used to go from home to school unmonitored. Our CCTV was the neighborhood people, the shopkeepers, and all around from home to school, because somebody was overwatching them. Today, you have so many people all around, but you're not sure of this. Why you do these activities, and you'll be surprised. I'm always surprised as pre-nursery kids, KG, and such a small kids can come on the stage, take their place, and work together. So as parents, I request you to support them in a manner that will help them control their life in the future, because you don't know what future they will lead to, what future they will go to. Remember, these kids are very smart, they're AI generation kids. They may not understand and process what you tell them, but they do retain. And whatever ingredients you give them today, that will shape the future tomorrow for them. So whether if they are studying in modern school, what we want them to become, a businessman, not somebody, UPSC aspirant, a startup founder, or do we want them to be leaders who will think about on the lines of how they continue progress, what shape and size the society will take? Do they want to contribute, or they just want to have a career for themselves and sit down? Because we know that even if you made your career, you may not be very happy in your own life. We don't want our kids to go through the same process that we are suffering, most of us, if not all of us. And treat every kid as your own. You know, I always have very, very high regard for not the PGT teacher, but the pre-nursery, KG and classroom teachers. It's very difficult to handle one kid at home and they squabble, they fight, but kids resolve everything themselves. When you jump in between as parents, then it becomes difficult. You know, we always talk about Finnish education system, Swedish education system. Sweden, if you go there, if two kids are fighting, even the teacher won't interfere, unless they get into a mode that they can harm each other. Because they believe that is how they learn conflict resolution. And trust me, for 30 years I've seen, kids will settle all these issues within themselves. It is only when we as parents jump in the picture that things get little haywire. And you see them, they play around, they sing along, they take the stage. There's no central left or right on the stage, it just gets all around. So we need that collective identity because we need our kids as human beings. We need a society to live in. You can't live your individual life unless society is strong, unless your collective identity is strong. You can't have individual identity unless your collective identity is strong. So that's a little high for the pre-nursery performance today, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to convey. Enjoy the show, they have worked very hard, and I happen to know most of them personally also. They just met up at the board company, they would have gathered around and on. Thank you very much. Enjoy the day and all the best.
Thank you, sir. And now, without keeping you waiting for long, let's begin our celebrations. I request all the parents to kindly remain seated and do not come forward. Please, and do not wave at your child. And yes, keep clapping without me telling you. Okay? Pre-primary का ये रूल है, तो बच्चे स्टेज पे आए तो क्लैपिंग जरूर करना। कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आके नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान आके नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं, मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं।
जन्माष्टमी समारोह में हार्दिक स्वागत है। आज हम मिलकर मनाने जा रहे हैं नटखट कन्हैया जी का जन्मदिन। जी हाँ, आज श्री कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी।
बनकर हमको भूल जाए। मुरली की फिर छेड़तानिए, मुरली की फिर छेड़तानिए प्रेम का सॉन्ग बजाए। उनको रोज सताए आकर कुंज गली के चोर, चोर चोर माखन चोर यही है छलिया माखन चोर। मैं नहीं माखन
बांसुरी की धुन जब वो बजाए, हम सारी गोपियाँ दौड़ी चली आए।
नटखट यार नाच नचे कृष्ण कान्हा कान्हा की धुन पे यार झूमे कैसे देखो राधा आई पूनम की रानी यार नाच नचे कृष्ण कान्हा
everybody sitting up there, please. Join your hands. Join your hands. Can we have the photographs, sir, please?
Thank you, sir.
हमेशा रह जाता है लेकिन इस बार तो मैं बोलूंगी. Okay, so I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you present here today. A special thanks to our respected principal sir for his constant guidance and encouragement. I thank all our dear parents for joining us today, our teachers for the hard work, admin staff for their wholehearted support, Didis, Bhaiyas and our little Krishnas and Radhas for filling the stage with joy today. Thank you once again and Jai Shri Krishna. And I request you to be seated with the time sir takes the lead. Keep clapping. Just a minute, Khushi will give the highlights. Going please okay. So now, please have a seat. Oh, you want to